Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel all about Wix. Today we're going to be managing our price quotes on the Wix Studio workspace. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, go to CRM and Client Billing, and go to Price Quotes. So this is your price quotes dashboard. You'll see all of your price quotes here. By default, it will show price quotes within the last 30 days, but if you wish to view price quotes from a certain time period, click this drop down and select the period over here. To manage a price quote, click the three-dot button of the price quote you want to work on, and here you'll see options to edit it, view it as invoice if applicable, share it, print it, download it as PDF, duplicate it, mark it as accepted, convert it to invoice if applicable, and delete it. You can also click on a price quote to see its full details. So feel free to manage your price quotes according to the available options you have. And that's it for today, guys. We hope you found today's video of help. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.